I have one leftover chicken breast that I did the brick chicken recipe. So we're going to combine it with just a few staple ingredients that we had in the refrigerator. We're going to make us a delicious chicken salad, and we've got supper for the next day with a leftover chicken breast. So we've got, what I've got here in the bowl is half a cup of mayonnaise. You never know, because the chicken breasts are different sizes, you never know how much chicken you're going to get. You can see from this one breast I got in this is a 2-cup measuring cup, so roughly about 2 cups of chicken. What I generally do is like to mix up my wet ingredients first, because I keep the mayonnaise close by, because you may need to loosen it till you get all your ingredients in there. You don't know the ratio when you're not dealing with specific. Each time you have leftover chicken, it's going to be a different amount. So this is the juice of 1 lemon, and it was a very juicy lemon. Right now we just got our lemons off of our lemon trees, and we're actually going to have another video where we show how we prep those so that we have fresh lemon throughout the year. But right now, this is going to do 2 things. It's going to add some acid to that chicken that adds a lot of flavor to that chicken salad, but also it's going to loosen that mayonnaise so you don't have to use as much mayonnaise. Again, this is about healthy food, real food, not rabbit food. So this is in no way, of course, it's got the mayonnaise in it, so it does have some fat, but this lemon juice is going to help loosen that mayonnaise up so you don't have quite as much mayonnaise. So I'll put that lemon juice in there. I'm going to go ahead, and you see just a pinch of salt. Again, salt and pepper is always going to be to taste. When you put that lemon in there, you do need that salt for that acid to work together to give that chicken salad some great flavor. And again, I'm just going to whisk that up so that we're making like a loose dressing for our chicken salad. And then we're going to take this Ninja mini food processor here. I use this for many things, like quick guacamole, but it really makes quick work. Like I said, I'm doing this before I go to work this morning. That was last night's supper. When I come home tonight, I'll toast some bread, throw some home fries in the oven, and supper will be on the table within 20 or 30 minutes. So we've got that all incorporated. We're going to take our chicken and put in our Ninja. Now this chicken already has a lot of flavor because the lemon and garlic that we season that brick chicken with, so the lemon in our dressing is just going to complement that. So I'm going to put that there. Go ahead, chop that up now. You can chop it as fine or as chunky as you like it. My husband likes it chunky. I like it a little on the more shredded side, so you just have to play with it and get the consistency that you like for your chicken salad. As you can see how quick and easy that was. We got some bigger chunks here that I'll just shred from the top. And then I'm just going to empty that in. Then I'm going to take my other ingredients. I got my boiled eggs and some water chilling. So I've got them. Make sure we got all the shell off of that. Just kind of break it open. Now these shells I will save. I actually toast them on the stove top for just a minute and feed them back to the chickens, because that's a lot of the vitamins that they need are in the shell. Actually, because these are already cooked, I won't cook them. If I have the raw egg shells, I will. Usually if I'm using eggs on the stove, what I'll do is go ahead, while my skillet's still hot, I'll just drop the raw eggshells in that skillet and let them sit there. They say you're not supposed to give them the raw egg. But these are already cooked, so I'll just put it in the chicken bin to feed them. So now we've got our onions, our pickle, and you saw just a hunk of pickle. Again, it's all about the ratio that you like. We like a lot of pickle in ours and just a little bit of onion. Again, give that Ninja a little whisk. Combine it all together. Again, if you've never used lemon in your chicken salad, try it. It will definitely heighten the flavor of your chicken salad. Now I'm going to wash my hands. Then we're going to put just a little bit of salt because that chicken breast is flavored. And we also flavored our mayonnaise. So we're just going to put a little bit just to make sure that those eggs have a little salt, a little bit of pepper. We're going to mix that all up and see. Look at that. That flavorful chicken breast now is a completely different meal. Again, there are many variations of chicken salad. Everybody probably has their go-to, and you see that amount of mayonnaise with that lemon juice. That looks like I don't need to add any mayonnaise, but sometimes, like I said, you never know the size of your chicken breast. If it was a little dry, I would add just a little bit of mayonnaise. Sometimes even some Creole mustard. Sometimes, again, that tang, same tang you're getting from the lemon juice, you can get from that Creole mustard. Again, it's all about preference. But the way I like to serve mine up, usually with homemade bread, I usually have a loaf of homemade bread. And when you toast that homemade bread, it takes on a whole new flavor. And we have a chicken salad sandwich with fries for a quick supper. But anyway, supper's done. Now on to work. So we'll come back tonight. We'll toast up some bread. We'll make some home fries, and we'll have a whole new meal over leftover chicken breast that we cooked on yesterday.